Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am here with an unboxing. I feel like I haven't done an unboxing in a while, and I definitely haven't shared an unboxing of a cloth and paper sub box. At least I don't think. Maybe I did the bundle. Anyway, this is either my first or my second time doing an unboxing of the subscription box that I got from Cloth and Paper. So if you would like to see this month's sub box, keep watching. All right, so before I begin, it is tradition that I welcome all of my first time viewers. If this is your first time watching, make sure you go ahead and drop me a purple heart in the comments box so that I know that you are new. And as well, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos. All right, so we have the February subscription box from Cloth and Paper. Now, I also get the Pinspiration subscription as well, but at the time that my order was picked up, they were not in. And what do I mean by picked up? So I am in the same city and state that Cloth and Paper is located in, and one of my good friends, Pranity Plans on YouTube and on Instagram, she always goes and picks up her orders. So she went and picked mine up with all of my verifiable information, of course, because they want to make sure that they are giving the product to the right people. So if you are local, you can reach out to them via their customer service email and see what days you can go pick up your orders if you are local. So with that being said, this is just going to be the sub box. When I do get my pins, I may do a unpackaging, or I might show it on my Instagram channel. But nevertheless, we are here to see the sub box. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, so everyone knows her stuff always comes super beautifully packaged, wrapped, and all of that stuff. And I never want to rip anything. So what I do is I take everything out the box and I just slide everything right on out. That way I don't have to rip it. I mean, more than likely, I'm not going to keep the paper, but it's just too beautiful to rip. All right, so here is everything that came in this month's sub box. So I'm not sure of the exact names of everything, but if you go to the Cloth and Paper channel, they should also have a full video to tell you what all of these things are. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you each thing, and I'm going to pull everything out the packaging so you can get a better look without all the glare. All right, so this first thing right here is the tab sticky notes, and I really love the color that they came in. Now, she did release a pink color in last month's sub box, and then traditionally, she has them in white that also has the labels already on there. I actually have some of those just to kind of show you to reference. They look just like this, and they come with names or categories already on the top. But I like these because you can categorize them however you want, whether you want to put a sticky on here, a sticker, or just write it out. So you do get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packets, and these will fit in any size planner. And that's what I like about these, that they're not too small and they're not too big. So whether you have a big size happy planner or a passport ring or string planner, these should fit in there nicely. Now, the next thing we have right here is, I call these like little journaling or pocket cards. I love this black on black, and it says WIP. And it's funny because I did kind of go through the box with Pranity, and she was like, "What you think that mean?" And I was like, "Whip? I don't know." And it means work in progress for all of you non-millennial people. You old heads like me, you got to Google these acronyms. So this means work in progress, and I really like this, and I like the size of it. It's the size of the palm of my hand. All right, so the next thing, this is super cute. So this is like that. I forgot what you call this material, but it's like the cards that people use to wrap their washi and things like that on there, or to put their flag stickers. Gosh, what is the name of that? I don't know. But anyway, y'all know what it is. It's a clear card. And it says, make it work. And the quote is by Tim Gunn. And this is perfect to put inside of your planners. If you want to put washi on here to make it cute, you can. Or if you want to put like your flag stickers so you can make some like a task card, you can do that as well on the other side if you don't want to cover this up. So this is so cute. All right, so this next half size dashboard, I absolutely love this. It's almost like a bookmark or like a ruler, but it is a half size and it's got like a black matte feel to it. And this says the WIP, the work in progress. And I like how it has like the little mirroring effect behind it. Now, I did get the A6 ring size because this month's box was kind of geared towards like project planning, business things, kind of like that. So I wanted to get some things to put in Pamela, who is my A6. Everyone knows all of my planners have names. So I wanted Pamela to have some cloth and paper in there as well. So I decided to go ahead and get the A6. And that's the one good thing with the cloth and paper subscriptions. You can always change your size. So if you have multiple ring bound planners or disc bound planners and you want to try cloth and paper in your planners, you can always try them with your sub box. So one month I might get a half letter size. Next month I might get personal size, but this month I got A6. So that's what I like about her boxes. You can go in and alter them as necessary. So this is super cute. And y'all know my planner is black and pink. So this is going to go really nice somewhere in that planner. All right, so these next two inserts are actually dashboards. And this is a heavy vellum type paper. I love this paper. I'm looking for some paper like this. A friend of mine has been on the hunt, so hopefully I can find some heavy duty vellum. You know, she is famous for her quote vellum dashboards. And I love this one because it just simply says, people romanticize their plans but dread the execution. The magic you're looking for is in the work you are avoiding. Oh my gosh, this is an amazing quote. Author is unknown. Whoever you are unknown, big ups to you. I'm going to do the poetry snap. Okay, so this next one is a little different from their color palette when they do their dashboards. Typically, they do them on the vellum or on black, but they decided to use this nice little gray kind of color, and I like this little pop of gray is going to be nice in my planner. But it has the V for visionary, and when she uses her quote cards or her dashboards for single words, I love the fact that she always gives it a definition. That way in your mind you can read it as an affirmation as well. So she has visionary as a noun because we are visionaries, and it simply says a person with original ideas about what the future will or could be like. So know that you are a visionary and imagine what the future would be like based on the things that you're creating, whether you're a content creator, a vlogger, a shop owner, an entrepreneur. Know that your vision makes you a visionary and you are going to impact the future, but you have to stop avoiding the work. Look at that. Look how that tied together. I love it. All right, so these next inserts, I really like these. These are like a task type tracker for your projects that you're scheduling. And it says project schedule at the top. So you can use this to track up to 1, 2, 3 weeks of your project. So say that you are working on, let's use me for example, because I have an Etsy shop and I am designing new stickers. So like right here, I might write brainstorm. Right here, I might write start creating. Right here, I can write edit. Right here, I can release date. And then in these boxes, you check off the days that you do each one of these things. And this has the month and the date. So if, like I said, if this is 3 weeks, you'll put, whatever the date that you start the project through that date. And I absolutely love it. And it's the same thing on both sides. You get a nice amount of paper. So this should last you throughout the year with your projects. And then you have the little note section. All right, so these next inserts are the project analyst inserts. And I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to use them. This may be something that I put in my planner at a later time, but it's always good to have a whole inventory, if I would say, of different types of inserts and things that you want to use for future or upcoming projects. But this is just to kind of analyze how your project is going. So, for example, and I might use this after 90 days of having my shop open, so I can kind of get my groove. But you will put, what are your strengths in regards to how you're handling the project? What weaknesses in regards to handling the project? What type of opportunities came about with the project? And then this one right here is threats. That's a deep word. So I guess you could say threats like, was this project a waste of time? Did it help inspire anyone? Did it help grow your business? Like, you can put what it did not do. So I would kind of look at this as like what it did negatively towards your shop. Then on the back is just a repeat of the same thing. And then you can just put your the title of the project and the date. You can either put the start date or start to end date that the project was used for. And on the side, it kind of tells you in regards to how to use each section. So this part where it says strengths and weaknesses is for internal. So that's more so for how it what it did for your business internally, the strengths and weaknesses. And then this section is for external, which means the people outside of your business or your customers. So you can, kind of figure out and use these subtitles as a guide. I hope I'm not rambling too much, but I hope you understand what I'm saying. All right, so I really like this next pack of inserts. This is project management, and this is to kind of help delegate who's going to do what on the project. So right now it's just me and my husband. So I probably won't use these right now, but I will definitely keep these in the future. But if you want to kind of understand my thinking of regards to how the project management insert would work, you'll just put the name of the person, because it says contact, and any collaborations with. So say myself and another shop was doing a project together, I can put that up here as well. Any type of content review, like if I need to review how the designing is going, are we on track for deadlines and things like that. And then this is another section where you can kind of monitor your tasks and the deliverables. So you can put like what the task is here and what date you would like to have that task completed or delivered back to you or back to the person that's in charge of the project management. And then on the back, it just kind of have like a tracking like timeline, so you can fill in each of these spots and monitor the timeline for the project. Yeah. All right. So this is something new that Cloth and Paper is doing. It's like I don't know what they call it because I don't have like a card to tell me, so I'm kind of making things up as I go. It's almost like the layered look, so you can kind of see what each of these are. And so what are they? This is for your goals for your projects, or if you just want to use it for anything. You don't even necessarily have to use it for a project. So if you're anything like me, sometimes I don't use the inserts based on the theme of the kit. So you have a stack of your weekly goals. So you can put the things you need to do to reach each one of the goals weekly. The next one is your monthly goals, and then it'll have it broken down into 1 to 5 weeks, because we know some months have 5 weeks. Then your next one would be your quarterly goals. So it'll have month 1, 2, and 3. And then lastly would be your yearly goals. And so I liked how they have it stacked. That way you can put all of these into one section and you can see on this week. And if you need to flip to like, well, let me see what my month looks like, or where I'm at the quarter. So you don't have to worry about, making some custom tabs so you can find them. They have stacked these accordingly so you can look at them in one setting. So this was my favorite. This is what I really wanted. Like, I could have just bought these inserts and been happy, but I'm super happy with the whole kit overall. All right, you guys. So this is the sub box for the inserts. And just to kind of put it out there to you, she has a lot of different options in regards to the subscription that you can get. I mean, you can get anywhere from just the inserts to the bundle to just the pins, whatever it is that you want. You can kind of customize it or tailor it towards your needs. And again, like I said, you can always go in, say you're interested in trying the A6, but you don't know because you've never tried them before. You can always just go ahead and order the inserts for the A6 size. That way you'll be able to kind of figure out how to use that particular insert. And as well, another thing that I like, because we all are trying to be mindful of our coins, you can always go ahead and hold your subscription for that month. So say, for example, you don't have the funds, or say that the sub box is just not something that you're interested in for that month. You can go in and say, skip this month. And I absolutely love that. That's one thing that I like about what I call controllable kits or controllable sub boxes. You don't have to feel like you have to cancel it every time you don't like what's coming out, or you don't have the funds and then you have to go right back in and re-sign up again. With this, you can control how your kit comes. You can control what kits you get in regards to how big or how small. So I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I feel like my camera lighting has been acting a little funny here lately. But with all that being said, this is my unboxing, and make sure you go check out Cloth and Paper's website. Pranity Plans has a code, so you make sure you go visit her YouTube channel and her Instagram page. That way you can take advantage of her affiliate code and get a discount off. I'm not sure if you can apply it to your sub boxes, but you can always apply it to anything else that she has in the shop. So if you like this video, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up. Drop me a comment below if you have any questions. And as well, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. And shameless plug, make sure you go to Scripts by LNC on Etsy. The link is in the description box so you can shop my shop, where we specialize in scripts and inspirational quotes. And March releases are getting ready, and I'm going to be having some t-shirts and some printables. So the shop is growing and expanding and offering a variety of different things as well. But our main focus is always going to be on the scripts. So until next time, loves, peace.